Jungle Studios.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, guys. I hope you are safe everywhere you are. If it's your first time to be here, please, guys, do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Kuitira petino upload masini kuti usajambwe nemasini ka guys. Welcome. Guys, murise kwese kwa muri guys, ndokumbira ka mwiso ma subscriber ne ma like guys, muchingo komenda wakakuti channel yedu iwe iri pamusoro. Guys, ndokutendai wakasubscribe kudhara ndimunoita kuti zvinhu zvacho zviende mberi, ndimunorisimbisa petinoenda zvinhu zvedu, ndimunonga muri pamberi kuti zviende mberi zvechokwadi. Aiwa guys, without wasting your time, today we are going to make a HELLMET beat, guys. I think Muruguri you are redeem. I think you remember this beat. I just posted the songs on that channel for this beat last 2 weeks back, guys. This beat is called Money in the Back Rhythm. So I think you remember it. So I'm going to show you how I make it this Money in the Back Rhythm. Yes, that is HELLMET. So without wasting your time, let me show what I did, exactly what I did, guys. Okay, so the first thing what I do, you can choose your kick, where you can choose kick. I don't know where you choose different of kicks, many different. Me, I have a lot of kicks. Also, you have it if you want to, so you can choose. But if you want this, I use here, that I use here is that is thumb kick. Yes, you can check on your pecs. You can go to kick. Then you can see this kick. This is thumb kick. Yes, that I use for a HELLMET. I use a lot of this kick many times, guys. So let me play for you what I did. Okay, so yes, that is the kick. Yes, I think you feel it. Then I have this that is snare. Yes, yes, and yet also hi-hat one. You can check it. There's another snare there, down there. So you can see the frame of the beat is already done. Yes, guys. Yes, it only 4 things that I make to make this HELLMET. So you see the first frame is finished. Okay, let me go on number 2. Yes, number 2. Number 2, I have a bass here. That is sine bass. I use this bass a lot of times. So this bass, you can find it on DX10. You can find it on DX10. Then you can go to presets here. Inside the presets, you can see here the sine bass. Okay. Then there's this thing. I use also a lot of this thing. Black mute. That one. I use it all almost on my tutorial. They have a lot of nice sound here. Just go by mobile synth plug, then you can choose what plugin you want inside. Okay, then you can come here. There's on that plugin, you can come here by that is strings, essential strings. Yes, you can come here, you can choose all string pizzicato. I don't know. Yes, don't know how to explain, but pizzicato, yes, something like that. You can choose any string do you want. Then you can come here by purity. Here we have that sound. Yes, that is the chords. Only 2 chords, guys. Yes, okay. Then you can come here by what is this? That thing I'm telling you I use a lot. Yes, you can choose a lot of presets. There's a nice sound, guys. Okay. Yes, and this is again the same thing. Okay, then you come here by GMS. You can put a melody. That melody is this one. Yes, guys. Then you can go here inside the GMS. You can choose the presets, which preset you want. See, guys. Okay, but yes, braces. Then you can choose presets you want. Okay, there is another GMS that yes, I think you can see how I draw that. Make that just to make your sound good and nice and sweet. You see, this is one. Okay, then let me go on number 3. Okay, then number 3 we have same thing that we use that on that thing, but we just put this one only. Let me play only that thing. Just make it cool. Yes, just this plug. You see, mobile synth plug. Then you choose you see, you can choose what presets you want. Okay, then let me go number 4. Okay, now I'm going to play one by one. Then maybe you and you can understand what I'm saying. This is the sine bass that I was talking on before. This sine bass is second part of this beat. So let me play it only that sine bass to hear it. You can see, okay, how I draw it this bass. You see, yes, I'm recommending you to use a big sound to hear this beat bass. Okay, all right, let me go to another. There's another center plug, that one. Yes, then also melody. Yes, also the chords. Yes, also the grand piano light. Okay, then the stage grand light. Yes, okay, then another GMS, that the same melody. So on this pattern we finish on the pattern 4. Okay, let me go on number 5. Yes, I have another sine bass, that bass, but it's different to make it your things sound very nice. You see, yes, it ding 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 ding. Okay, Then we have same things like that. Yes, and also melody. Yes, same thing that we have here. Okay. Okay, we have another thing that I didn't show you here by the GMS. Okay, you see. Okay, let me play all of the. Okay, I'm going to number 6. Number 6 is same thing, but it's different there by bass. Okay, so on this helmet, I was using same things, but I was changing too much bass. So if you want to achieve a nice helmet speeds, you can change bass many times. So yes, another bass I make it, and I hear there's another there's a swing here. I say make. I hope I do the swing almost all the time. If you want to swing this beat, like you want to swing your beat like this, you just come here by the corner of the piano roll. Here there's something like the lines, then you put this note on top of the another note, then you press here. It's going to make boom. Yes, you can make boom, that like swing. Okay, then this thing is same. Let me go number 7, guys. Yes, number 7, we have same thing and different bass and another different melody. Okay, let me show you the another bass. This another bass. You see how you space just start do 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 do. Okay, let me show you. There's another melody on purity. Yes, yes it. Okay. Da, 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 da. Yes, it. The melody. That is nice melody. You can hear it. Okay, where you get it, you can go inside the purity. You can get it here by air terminations. Okay, by lead sense, you can get it. There's a lot of. If you come here by lead sense, then you can choose the presets. A lot of presets here. Okay. Let me go number 8. Okay. Yes. This one is same, but it's different here by GMS. It's different here, guys. So let me show you how it's different. Let me play it only. It's just this one. Okay. So it's just like pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up. Yes, we can do that if you want to achieve this sound. Okay, let me go on number 9. Yes, then you can place number 9. Same beat, guys, nothing changed, but it's going to change on when you are line it, when you are going to lay it on the playlist. Okay, let me go number 10. The same beat doesn't change anything, but it's different pattern. When you are going to lay it on the playlist, you are going to lay like that. Okay, let me go number 11. Same beat also. Yes, number 12, number 11, sorry. Okay, number 11, where is different with these things? Different here, only here, only here. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, let me go on number 12. Yes, number 12 is different. It's different where it's different here. We have a melody. This one, yes, it's different from another melody that I show you back. Okay, number 13, which we have, what we have on number 13. same thing. Okay, then number 14 we have a drum changer, guys. That is drum changer, drum rolls. Yes, or some other people call drum rolls. Yes, the drum rolls. Where you can get it, on by a Purity. Yes, you can come here. When you come here by Purity, yes, you can come by the drums. When you go by the drums, you can come here by Alpha Sky. Then you can get these drums. Then you can lay how you can lay. I don't know how you lay, because there's a lot of different drums there. Okay, number 15, different drum, but it's same key, same everything. Okay, but it's different. It's number 15. Okay, number 16, it's finished. Our beat is finished already. So let me show you how I lay it on the play list. Then I play for you and how I lay it. Okay, so here's our beat. Here we were just laying here it. Okay, so here's our beat. When you finish, you see, that is the first thing. Second, that is second verse. Okay, yes, you see, chorus. Yes, can hear it, guys. Sounding so sweet, guys. Okay, the drum changer. Okay, this one is a drum changer. Also, you can find on your presets these ones. That is the first verse, guys. Drums, chorus again. Yes, guys. Yes, second verse. Yes, another chorus. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Chorus again. Yes, guys. Yes, our beat is going to finish, guys. Look. Yes, guys. Here's our beat, complete beat, guys.
Django Studios.
Yes, guys. Guys. Yes, our beat is finished, guys. So, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time, and don't forget to like, comment. Thank you for watching, guys. Whatever, where are you, guys? Thank you for watching. I really appreciate, guys. See you on my next tutorial. Be safe and be blessed. Whatever, where are you? Thank you very much, guys. Blessed, more fire.